In our hyper-connected world, reliable internet and phone service are more than just conveniences. They are essential utilities, woven into the fabric of our daily lives, businesses, and communities. From streaming entertainment and remote work to emergency calls and online learning, our dependence on seamless connectivity has never been greater. When this connection breaks, the disruption is immediate and significant. Productivity grinds to a halt, businesses lose revenue, and families are cut off from vital information and each other. Field service technicians are the frontline workers who keep our digital world running. They brave the elements, scale towers, and work in all conditions to maintain, repair, and upgrade the network infrastructure that powers our lives. Field service management is the backbone of this effort, organizing complex logistics, scheduling urgent repairs, dispatching skilled personnel, and managing equipment to ensure every job is completed efficiently and safely. For telecom companies, this is a massive, costly operation and a key driver of customer satisfaction. Every successful service call strengthens trust and loyalty, while every delay can erode a company's reputation. Getting it right means happy customers, uninterrupted connections, and a stable network. But getting it wrong leads to frustration, lost productivity, and financial loss for both customers and providers. Historically, managing this workforce relied on manual, reactive processes, often resulting in inefficiencies, longer downtimes, and a lack of real-time visibility into field operations. As our reliance on digital infrastructure grows, the pressure on field service operations has intensified. The demand for faster, more reliable service is higher than ever before. The old methods can't keep up with the demands of today's always-on world. Outdated tools and slow processes simply aren't enough to meet customer expectations. Now, the industry is transforming, driven by artificial intelligence and advanced digital tools that are revolutionizing how field service is managed. AI is fundamentally reshaping how telecom companies manage field services, moving from reactive models to predictive, automated, and highly efficient operations. This means faster response times, smarter resource allocation, and fewer outages. This shift promises seamless, uninterrupted service for customers and a stronger bottom line for providers, ensuring that our connected world stays up and running, no matter what. Traditional field service in telecom is a break-fix cycle, reactive, costly, and inefficient. For decades, companies have relied on outdated processes that only address issues after they disrupt service, rather than preventing them in the first place. Companies scramble to fix problems only after they occur, leading to unpredictable interruptions and high-pressure environments. Customers are left waiting, often frustrated by long downtimes and a lack of clear communication about when their service will be restored. Scheduling and dispatch are major pain points. Coordinating thousands of technicians with manual systems often results in costly mistakes. Dispatchers struggle to match the right technician to the right job, and last-minute changes can throw the entire day into chaos. 70% of telecom operators face high costs and poor service due to scheduling errors. These inefficiencies ripple through the organization, impacting both the bottom line and customer satisfaction. Technicians may arrive unprepared, lacking the right skills or parts, causing failed visits and multiple trips for a single repair. This not only wastes valuable time, but also increases operational expenses. Each extra truck roll increases costs and frustrates customers. The more time spent on the road, the less time technicians have to resolve issues, further delaying service restoration. The lack of real-time information means longer downtimes and lower productivity. Technicians often wait for updates or instructions, unable to proceed efficiently. This reactive model is unsustainable in a digital-first world with complex networks and rising customer expectations. As technology advances, the gap between what customers need and what traditional field service can deliver continues to widen. Telecom companies are trapped in a cycle of high expenses and unhappy subscribers. The pressure to improve is mounting, but old methods can't keep up with new demands. The cracks in this old system are too big to ignore. Every failure exposes vulnerabilities that threaten both reputation and revenue. The search for a smarter, proactive approach is leading directly to AI. With intelligent automation and predictive analytics, the industry is on the verge of a transformation that promises to finally break the cycle. In the digital age, patience for poor service is thin. An outage can mean lost work, missed deadlines, or business disruption. Telecom is now the fourth utility, and customer expectations for rapid resolution are sky-high. 85% of consumers choose providers based on problem resolution speed. Slow service leads to customer churn, and acquiring new customers is far costlier than retaining existing ones. Social media amplifies bad experiences, causing reputational damage that's hard to repair. Regulatory bodies enforce strict service standards, and failure to comply can mean hefty fines. Manually tracking compliance is error-prone and risky. The combination of high expectations, competition, and regulation demands change. Telecom operators can't afford slow, reactive service. Fast, reliable, and compliant service is now a matter of survival. AI-powered field service management is uniquely positioned to solve this critical problem. AI marks a shift from reactive to proactive telecom field service. Machine learning and data analytics sift through massive data in real time, predicting outcomes and automating decisions. AI transforms guesswork into intelligent automation, predicting failures, optimizing dispatch, and learning from every service call. The system gets smarter over time, refining predictions and boosting efficiency. This dynamic, learning ecosystem drives higher first-time fix rates and better performance. Telecom companies are breaking free from the old break-fix model, building resilient networks and better customer experiences. The AI revolution is happening now, delivering tangible solutions to persistent industry challenges. The market is taking notice, with AI and telecom projected to grow rapidly in the coming years. Predictive maintenance is one of AI's most impactful telecom applications. AI analyzes sensor and environmental data to predict failures before they happen. Subtle anomalies, like a component running hot, trigger maintenance tickets before customers are affected. Maintenance can be scheduled during off-peak hours, and technicians arrive with the right parts and diagnosis. This proactive approach reduces downtime by 30% and extends asset life by up to 20%. Predictive maintenance turns emergencies into planned activities, creating a more stable network. Customers enjoy fewer outages and higher satisfaction. For telecom companies, it means lower costs, efficient staff use, and a foundation of reliability. AI-powered scheduling is a game-changer for field service operations, transforming the way telecom companies manage their teams and resources. Unlike rigid traditional systems, AI adapts in real time to traffic, emergencies, and shifting priorities, making sure every minute counts. It considers technician skills, location, parts inventory, and job urgency, optimizing assignments instantly. AI even factors in technician certifications and past performance to match the best person to each job. For example, if a critical outage occurs, AI can reassign jobs and route the best qualified technician, even if it means shifting other appointments. This flexibility ensures that urgent issues never fall through the cracks. Study and eins. In the binder dynamic, optimization slashes travel times and fuel costs, and boosts first-time fix rates. Routes are recalculated on the fly, so technicians avoid delays and unnecessary detours. High-priority issues are addressed faster, improving SLA compliance. Customers experience less downtime, and service-level agreements are met more consistently. Technicians are less stressed and more productive, focusing on repairs instead of logistics. With fewer scheduling headaches, they can concentrate on delivering quality service. AI ensures the right technician, with the right skills and tools, arrives at the right job at the right time. This precision leads to higher customer satisfaction and fewer repeat visits. Scheduling becomes a competitive advantage, not a headache. Companies can handle more jobs per day and respond faster to customer needs. Companies see improved efficiency, happier customers, and lower operational costs. The benefits ripple across the entire organization, from the field to the back office. The result: a smarter, more agile field service operation that can adapt to any challenge. AI turns scheduling from a bottleneck into a strategic asset, empowering managers to make data-driven decisions. The future of dispatch is intelligent, responsive, and efficient, driven by the power of AI. Navigating telecom regulations is complex and ever-changing. Manual compliance monitoring is labor-intensive and error-prone, risking costly penalties. AI automates compliance by scanning regulations, monitoring network data, and flagging potential issues in real time. It tracks service tickets and performance, raising alerts if targets are at risk. AI can generate compliance reports automatically, saving hundreds of hours. This reduces legal risks and ensures accuracy beyond what manual methods can achieve. Human resources are freed for strategic work, not paperwork. AI helps telecoms maintain regulatory standing and public trust. Automated compliance is now a necessity, not a luxury. The future of telecom is autonomous with AI at its core. Self-healing networks will detect, diagnose, and resolve issues automatically, rerouting traffic and scheduling repairs without human intervention. AI-powered digital twins will let operators simulate changes, test updates, and predict impacts before acting in the real world. Augmented reality tools will guide technicians with real-time data and step-by-step instructions, even connecting them to remote experts. Human expertise will be augmented, not replaced, by intelligent systems. AI will handle routine tasks, freeing technicians for complex challenges. The result: resilient, efficient, and responsive service. The promise of seamless connectivity is finally within reach. AI in telecom field service is now a foundational necessity, not a luxury. Old reactive methods are too slow and costly for today's demands. AI enables predictive maintenance, intelligent scheduling, and automated compliance. Fundamental improvements, not minor tweaks. Companies embracing AI redefine customer relationships, moving from reactive fixes to proactive partnership. Those who resist risk falling behind, burdened by legacy systems and higher costs. The question isn't if, but how quickly AI will be deployed. AI is the engine powering the next generation of telecom networks. For telecoms, investing in AI-driven field service is essential for survival and success.